Okay, here is how I decorated my staircase for Christmas. It's such a beautiful, simple, elegant way. I just layered a couple of these 15-foot garlands for fullness. These are hard to come by this time of year because they sell out so fast, but they are a little bit expensive, but I collect one every year and I built up quite the collection because they will never go out of style. And then I layered it with these beautiful eucalyptus garlands. These garlands are amazing because you can use them for Christmas, you can use them for Thanksgiving, for Easter, for weddings, for whatever. They are so versatile and so beautiful as well. After I got the garlands on, I attached everything with zip ties. Then I added these beautiful bells. These are a really pretty antique style that look a lot better than some of the other ones that I found. And then I layered it with a DIY homemade orange garland that I'm going to have another video about soon. Then I added some bows that I just cut out of ribbon and some beautiful twinkle lights that are on a timer that will come on every night automatically. I don't have to turn them on, and they just give the whole place such a pretty Christmas vibe. So hope you enjoy. Comment shop for all the links.